In this video, we're going to be working on the 2004 Jeep Wrangler X. It is a rollover that I bought from an auction site from Michigan. It is a Willys Jeep, not unlimited, but a Wrangler X. So it has damage to the A-pillar, the entire roll cage. Obviously the windshield's busted. Front fender's demolished. I think they broke some linkage, but I'm going to go ahead and repair that as well. The frame is straight. The body moved with the roll cage. So we're going to cut that out. Hopefully it'll bounce back. As you know, stamped metal wants to go back to the position it was stamped in. So we're hoping for that. There are some dents and dings and scratches. I may repaint the whole entire car. The whole entire Jeep, not 100% sure. If I do, I'm probably going to go to a darker green, like you see in the camo, and actually do it with a matte clear coat, so it'll look pretty cool. But in the first scene, I'm going to go ahead and just clean and start removing stuff, and then we'll go from there. Most of the pressure following it right here. So basically, I'm going to get a forklift. And either get that bracket back, hook some chain onto it, and bounce it up. It's not too bad, it's just a little bit. So it's going to need some pulled up. I'll pull it up with the forklift and bang it with the hammer. Usually to reset the metal. The other door I'm going to keep. Just see how it goes. don't forget, you gotta bag your screws and stuff that you're gonna use, or you'll never figure it out. That's it for the cleanup and tear down. We're going to keep, we'll do the fender next time and bang out the hood a little bit, start cleaning, try and get this thing straight. I'm going to take off the door hinge and weld that back, and then when I get the, I think we're going to take this off, get the hood straight as much as possible. I won't fix it all the way, but just so it lays flat and straight. Just bang it out a little bit. And then I ordered a frame already for the windshield, so we'll get the forklift and try and bang that up a little bit, straighten that out, and see if we can't get the forklift working. Pull that up and get that straightened out, and then install a new windshield, get some glass in there. I got doors coming, and then I can get it to my house, and then we can do stuff. So that'll be it for today. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to Squeaky Clean Garage. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first one, so hopefully my production value will get better as we go along. But if you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and hopefully we can continue making these videos. So remember to keep it clean, squeaky clean guys.